This brand is made in the USA and is backed by a good guarantee but is only sold through authorized installers. The units feature SRT scale reduction technology, which includes internal turbulators, a vertical modulating burner, and dual fan combustion control. The Infiniti K Series models are high-efficiency condensing units that have self-calibrating sensors so that, upon installation, they automatically make adjustments to maximize efficiency. The units have modulating burners to precisely match the hot water needs and are easily field converted from natural to LP gas without the need for an optional kit. They are wired to work with an external recirculation pump, but it is not included, while the Infiniti L series model has a built-in recirculation pump for quick and easy installation. The Infiniti GS models can be installed indoors or outdoors with an optional kit, and they have non-modulating controls but no built-in recirculation pump, while the Infiniti GR series includes a built-in recirculation pump. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.